I'm going to show you how easy it is to get many summary statistics when you use the graphing calculator list operator. So if you push the stat button, you can enter data once you get into the edit menu, which is push enter or 1. I've already inserted some data. I have the length of females' feet that we worked on earlier in the semester when we were trying to see a correlation between the women's foot length and their height. So these are actually the heights of women in centimeters, and it's already in list 1. I think there's 20 data values here. If I wanted to get the summary statistics from that list, which I could either manually put in or paste in from a stored list, then I just push the stat button and go over to calc. And one var stats, that first option right there, one var stats, you just put enter and it takes you to the screen where you have to put what list it is. And that list, all that data was in list 1. You can see above the 1 is a blue L1, so you push the second button and then the 1 button to get L1 to paste here. And that's it. That's as simple as it is. You just go down to calculate, push enter, and you're shown the sample mean, the sum of x, the sum of squares of x, sample standard deviation, and this is a population standard deviation. It also gives you the sample size, the minimum value, quartile 1, the median, quartile 3, the max from the box plot, box and whiskers. If you need the variance, you just have to square this s of x value. If you push vars, right here, the vars button to the left of the clear button, and you go down and you push option 5 or scroll down to number 5 and push enter for statistics. This S of X option 3, if I push 3, that will paste it to the home screen. That's the standard deviation, and often you get the standard deviation when you do it manually by square rooting the variance. So that means that if you square this, you square the standard deviation of the sample. This is the variance of the sample. So you can also just manually type it out if you've written it down on paper and square it as well. So very easy to get the standard deviation and variance using a graphing calculator. All right, take care. I hope this was helpful.